on the Kubota, you want to check your pins on your front end loader. If you lose one of these pins here, this one here, you can see we just jammed a welding rod in there for now. But this pin here on us, it came out. Nobody noticed it. Then the bolt came out. Then the pin slid back a little bit, just enough for this arm to drop. And when that arm drops, it'll go past your post here, your pipe in the center. And when it went past there, and the guy articulated the bucket, then it cracked this, cracked that post right at the seam there, right where it's welded. And it fell back down and bent that up. And so we had to cut that entire piece of pipe out, and we just welded in a new one, and all's good now. But yeah, you want to check, because we hadn't paid much attention to it. And as you can even see here, this bolt here, it broke off. So we got to replace that one too. Should be sticking out like this guy, but the nut and the bolt are just sheared off. So you got to watch for those. You lose one of those bolts and that pin slides in the wrong spot, and you're moving this bucket around, and it's going to get out of sync, and you're going to bust something, and you're going to have to be fabricating a pipe to fix it. But I think we're good as new now. Just got to get a little Kubota paint and off to the races. So all right, everybody, hope that helps. Have a great day.